What is even happening right now?
No! But I said
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the vlog. How are you doing? This is Randomvlog 12, I think. I'm here at the Delta Lounge. I keep wanting to see if there's something taking off, or something did just take off. It's a huge thing took off that direction. I'm gonna move down that way and see what's happening. I've only been up to this lounge like 800 times, and I still don't know where to stand to catch something taking off. There's just a Virgin Atlantic 747 that just came in. That's not what we're flying on today. Today we're flying on the Virgin Atlantic Dreamliner 787-900 going to London Heathrow Airport from JFK. Going on a cruise, 9-day cruise, 3 days in London, going on Royal Caribbean. And I'm very excited about this particular cruise because I'm not going on a particularly new world ship. It's somewhere in between. And I'm excited to see what this particular Royal Caribbean cruise is going to be like, because I've been on a lot of NCL cruises and one other Royal Caribbean cruise. It was fun. It was different. You know, every cruise line does stuff a little bit differently. First, we got to get to London. Actually, one of the cool things about this cruise is that it's a one-country cruise, so all the stops, all the ports that we're going to are in Norway. But we've also done one where we started in Denmark and we went to like 5 different countries. The thing is that there is no shortage of selection of cruises to pick from. That's for sure. We're going to be heading to the gate in a little bit, and we're going to be going there in style, because right now we are in the Delta Sky Club Lounge. We're actually... Here's a little trick that I found out. If you are flying on a Delta Partner airline and you are a Delta Sky Club member, you can get into the lounges, Delta's lounges, if you don't have access to that partner airline's lounge, which is really cool. And if you are a premium member, then it's free for up to 2 guests. If you're not, then it costs $29 for each person. But if you don't have access to a lounge already, like I'm flying on Virgin Atlantic, and I can slip into the Delta Lounge because I'm a Delta Sky Club member. Now, it's not cheap. It's $50 plus a $39.99 activation fee or sign-up fee, and it's $50 a month for the one that I'm doing. It's $80 a month for the one that's free for up to 2 people. So that's a thing to think about. But it's an option if you don't have access to a lounge. We gotta leave the lounge in like an hour, so I wanna get the most of it. But I will see you guys on the plane, and I will see you guys in London. So we're just leaving the Delta Lounge now, and we're gonna be riding in style to our gate. How do you feel about it, Mom?
good.
She's thrilled, if you can't tell.
Hey, Pops.
I know, Pops.
You ready for London?
Yeah, I'm ready for London. Is that where we're headed? God, I know, last time I looked. That was at the last trip. I thought we were going to Italy. The gate.
I have no idea what's happening. My mom's getting a bottle of water. We're trying to wait for the vehicle to get here so we get to our gate on time. Our chariot has arrived. We're off to our gate. Can I get this every time? No, this is only because I'm traveling with my friends. Come on in! Come on in!
Oh, you
Wait, that was the part we didn't tell you about, was the camera. Oh my goodness. What? How you feeling about this, Mom? Good?
This is great. If we had to walk it around, we'd be out of the way.
Oh, that's good to know. Okay, that's information you can use. All right.
This is in another hemisphere.
It's really. I think our plane is at the last. Yeah, I think we went into another time zone. Oh, is this it? Okay, that's the only way to travel. Thank you so much. All right, so we're over there. Well, we made it, so we're gonna find a place to sit down. So. Okay, so we made it to our gate. We have a bunch of different planes here. We got one plane out here, which you could probably see. That's the A380, one of the biggest planes that flies right now. Ours is over here, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. And ours is called Dream Girl. How cool is that? London, here we come. London calling. Yeah, no, I got it. And that's Dream Girl behind us. I'm gonna jump ahead because my fan got away from me.
You're not checking what they just...
Nope, I am not checking anything but myself. Oh, kiss on the plane. Hello, how are you?
Thank you, how are you?
Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Alright, we're going this way. This is me for the next couple hours. So we're all seated in premium economy, and this whole area is illuminated purple, which I love. It's one of my favorite colors. But the craziest thing, I wish we had a window seat because the windows are electronically controlled, and they have, like, I don't know if you can see them, but do you see this over here? So that's a digital shade. It's like it changes. And there's no actual, like, you don't have to lift up or down anything, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I wish we had a window seat, but we don't. So apparently this flight is going to take 6 hours flat from New York, JFK to London Heathrow. It's pretty fast. I'm going to put the camera away, get ready for takeoff, and then we'll talk again when we are in the air. Guys.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheerio.
Not Cheerios. Cheerio.
So after a little bit of turbulence, they were serving food. Now they set the lights in here like this orange glow, which makes it a little hard to film. But I will say it's really quiet on this plane. Turbulence was a little crazy down here back then. But yeah, after some turbulence, yeah, they're finally serving food. Look at this. We got some dessert. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh! Vietnamese pork. That's really good. I'm really liking that. Some rice in there. Nice big piece of baby corn, which I'm always for. Of course, wash it all down with a little tempranillo. It's a nice spread. I like it. We'll talk in a little bit, or I might take a good nap. We'll see what happens. Good morning, sports fans. It's currently 11:25 or 11:27 New York time, which means it's a little before 6 o'clock in the morning. And time for breakfast. We've got some food here. And croissant. And some yogurt. And then we have about 15 minutes till we land. Awesome. Back to breakfast. I will see you guys after breakfast. Noodles and chips. London. So how'd you feel about that flight? I'm asleep. Alright, off the plane we go. It's almost too dark for these. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
Oh, and it is chilly here. Okay, cool. I think both of my hoodies are in my checked luggage. Perfect. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna probably have to turn off the camera when we get to immigration because, you know, where are my folks? Were they behind me or ahead of me? I was like halfway to Southampton. I was like wondering where the hell you guys went. I found them. And there's our nice plane that we were on. Thank you, Virgin Atlantic. Appreciate you greatly. So as I said, during takeoff, we were being told by the pilot that there might be a little bump here and there. But the Dreamliner is actually built in a way to sort of deal with the turbulence. However, if you're flying through temperature changes, that can cause a lot of turbulence very quickly, and all of a sudden we went from, you know, the fasten seatbelt light being off almost immediately after takeoff to it's on, it's on, it's on. There's a lot of turbulence. At one point we went boop, and that boop resulted in all of my beer going out of my glass, gravity disappearing for a brief moment, and the beer going all over my jacket. And then the turbulence stopped, and that was basically the end of the turbulence for the rest of the 6-hour flight. And then, of course, the other fun thing was that we got here so early because of the tailwind. We had to circle London Heathrow Airport for a while because due to a sound ordinance at the airport, you can't actually land here at Heathrow before 6 a.m. So we just circled for a bit. That was a thing. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the other side of security. Wow, okay, so we're finally through immigration on the longest line that I've ever walked on in this hemisphere. It's just sort of back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. But we're through going to Carousel 5 to get the bags. Alright, we got the bags, we're in the car, we're on the wait a minute, I'm on the left-hand side of the, this is weird. It's a little weird. But I'll get you, I mean, I've been here before, so I'm used to it. No, I'm not. So we're out in front of Charing Cross Station, and in fact, the thing above it is the hotel. The entrance to the Yamba Hotel is right there. Charing Cross Station is in fact very, 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 very active. But yeah, our hotel's over there, and we're staying directly above it. Alright, so even though we have some time to kill before we have our session on the London Eye, we're gonna walk down to the area and check out the area around the London Eye before we get on it. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I can't tell you how many things we've encountered where we've showed up and found the thing under construction. Like we're 4 for 4 on going somewhere and it being under construction. This time it's Big Ben. Well, it's rainy. It's cloudy, it's a bit whatever, and we're going on that thing. Nice. So we've somewhat figured out what the hell we're supposed to be doing to get on the. I know we are in this place called the Eye Lounge. We have about an hour or so to wait. They gave us reading material for the Eye. The Eye's right here, by the way. All the eyes say Eye. All right, and we are headed to the.
Making our way onto the London Eye. We'll be going fast track, like the VIPs we are. And just make sure you've got your ticket.
So our guide is going and getting the champagne, and then we have all these people who are going on the Eye, and then we're going to get on.
Alright, everybody stick with me, okay? It's quite crowded out there, so people try and get in. So just make sure that everybody sticks together and follow the girl with the big red jumper, okay? Alright, let's go.
Oh my God, sunshine, how lucky are we?
Alright,
It's funny because it doesn't always happen. So we're in. Here we go. This is super cool. I can't get over how cool this is. We're only halfway up. You enjoying this, Dad?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
You're working on it.
Like, almost all.
So we're almost up to the top, and I'm almost on track of time. I'm having a hard time holding the camera right now. I'm gonna need that champagne in a little bit. Holy moly!
There we go.
Yeah, that's how we do it. We are approaching the top. Holy crap. This is so wild. So we're just at the halfway point. How cool is this? This is really unbelievable. What a cool way to start off the vacation, right? Alright guys, I'm going to take a little bit of time to actually enjoy the view as we're already at the halfway point, and I've been spending a lot of time videoing and photographing. I just want to take some of this in. So I'll see you guys when we're back down on the ground. See you in a little bit. So I saw such beautiful parts of the city. I lost most of my glass of champagne. It was an accident. It wasn't a big deal, really. Person, I'm laughing about it because the person who it was involved with.
Hi.
Our friends from New Jersey, our new friends from New Jersey. Hey guys.
It was very nice to meet you two guys. This is our first day. We just got in this morning. We're extremely jet lagged and having champagne. Good plan. Good plan. Exactly. So we just got back down to ground level. We're getting off this thing. This was unbelievable. I'll do one more pan around. No more people coming on right here. More people over here. And we're getting off. It's time to go. Thank you so much. That was so cool. That was beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This was so cool. I loved this. This was awesome. All right, back to the hotel. See you in a little bit.